Welcome to Now and Then. In this lesson, we will learn about present and past time markers in English. Time markers help us understand when something is happening. Are we talking about right now, or are we talking about something that already happened? Let's find out. In English, we have two main time perspectives. First, present time. Present is what is happening now, today, or in the current moment. You are listening to this lesson right now. That is present time. Second, past time. Past is what happened before, yesterday, or in previous time. This morning you had breakfast. That is past time. Understanding the difference between present and past is the foundation of speaking English correctly. Let's learn common present time markers. The first marker is now. Now means right at this moment. For example, I am studying English now. She is working right now. The second marker is today. Today means the current day. For example, I have 3 classes today. We are meeting today. The third marker is this. This refers to the current time or thing. For example, I like this movie. This week is busy. When you use these markers, always use present tense verbs. Now let's learn common past time markers. The first marker is yesterday. Yesterday means the day before today. For example, I went to the park yesterday. She called me yesterday. The second marker is last. Last refers to a previous time period. For example, I worked there last year. We met last week. The third marker is ago. Ago means a certain time before now. For example, he arrived 2 hours ago. They left 3 days ago. When you use these markers, always use past tense verbs. Different time markers need different verb forms. For present time, we use present verbs. Am, is, are. For example, I am happy now. Do and does. She does homework today. Have and has. We have class now. For past time, we use past verbs. Was and were instead of am, is, are. For example, I was happy yesterday. Did instead of do and does. She did homework last night. Had instead of have and has. We had class yesterday. Using the correct verb form is very important for clear communication. Beyond single words, we also use phrases as time markers. For present time, we have right now, which means at this exact moment. At the moment, meaning currently. These days, referring to the recent present. In general, for things that are usually true. Usually, which means most of the time. For past time, we have a long time ago, meaning many years before. In the past, referring to any previous time. When I was young, a specific past memory. Some time ago, a less specific past moment. Back then, meaning in that earlier period. These phrases add more detail to when we are talking about. Let's see these time markers and verbs in real sentences. For present time, I am studying English right now. This uses am with the present marker right now. She works at a hospital these days. This uses works with the present marker these days. For past time, I studied English last year. This uses studied with the past marker last year. She worked at a hospital 2 years ago. This uses worked with the past marker 2 years ago. Notice how the verb form changes based on the time marker. Here are 3 important takeaways. First, identify time markers. Look for words like now, today, yesterday, ago, and last to understand when something happens. Second, match verbs to time. Use present verbs like am, is, are for now. Use past verbs like was, were for then. Third, use context clues. Phrases like at the moment or a long time ago help clarify the time. Remember, correct time markers and verb forms are essential for speaking English clearly and being understood by others.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.